Hi there, everybody. Sheriff Stephen J. here. And for those of you who don't really know who I am the Sheriff of Slouch County. I live in a town called the Children's Corner, and it's located in the world of the magical couch. This isn't a purse. This is the doorway into the world of the magical couch. I'm excited to say that we have a brand new season of the Children's Corner, and you're going to see a whole bunch of new stuff, like new adventures of Black Bart and his gang. More original music from the Slouch and the Couch Children's Corner Band.
And Gullis George are part of the Slouch Rank.
More dishes prepared and cooked by the alphabet chefs. Not bad at all. I like that onion in there too.
And it's healthy too.
Oh no, I'm so hungry.
You're gonna meet new characters that live in the world of the magical couch. And next to him is our town dentist, Dr. Francine C. Jessup. And next to him, to my immediate right here, is a very famous and retired safecracker, Harold Furr, also known as Harry. And we're gonna be going to some great places of interest. And the first mate, he's taking the lobsters out. I mean, this guy's fast. He's checking and making sure there's certain sizes.
Coming right out. That's a good sign, you know, your tap's in well. One of my first things I like to do is take a little taste.
Oh, I can't seem to find my ticket, George.
All right, guy, you know what? I got a special gold one here for you.
Oh, gold ticket. And of course, we have new antics of our angry green pickle, Mr. Dill.
I'm not really sure what the sheriff is talking about.
So we'd like to see you come and join us. And if you're not really sure what time or day that your television station is broadcasting the Children's Corner, well, go to the internet and look at their website and see if they have a programming schedule. Then click on it and find out what day and what times the Children's Corner is playing and come join us. We'd love to have you, and I guarantee you're going to have a great time on the Children's Corner.